Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best dent puller tools in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is APlusLift 2-post floor plate auto hoist car lift. If you're looking for one kit that gets the job done without any fuss, it should be the BBKang Paintless Dent Repair Kit. It features the dent removal kit that comes with a golden dent lifter, a slide T-shaped hammer bar, dent pulling tabs, strong adhesive glue sticks, and bridge dent puller amongst many others. The kit also contains a detailed instruction manual to make the process of removing your dent as easy as possible. You also get a flexible and more potent 2-in-1 slide hammer with this package that will work with the glue. All sorts of dents, regardless of size or depth, are often fixed by different tabs. The BBKang PDR05 is unbeatable when you are on the lookout for the best PDR package, as it comes with all you need to easily fix dents and dings. Never harm your car paint, no toxic chemicals are included. The glue will be easy to remove after spraying alcohol on it. Remember to clean the paint before pasting. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mookis Paintless Dent Repair Kit. The Mookis Car Dent Repair Kit is just a little over $100, but the performance is worth every penny. What sets this kit apart from the rest of the products featured here is that each component in each kit has been tested by professionals to check performance, strength, and durability. Every procedure that each component has to perform is monitored, and only the parts that pass the test are included in the kits. This kit contains 77 high-quality pieces made of high-carbon steel for maximum endurance and strength, and is suitable for both experts and beginners alike. Users are always blown away by the sheer quality of performance shown by this dent repair kit, and it saves the buyers precious hours and money spent on the auto body repair shops. The kit can be used for any metallic mechanical body, including your car, your refrigerator, and your motorcycle, amongst many others. Number 3. Our third best pick is FCHO Glass Suction Cups Heavy Duty Dent Puller. This product is what I would consider a last resort dent puller, but it will suffice in certain situations. The FCHO Glass Suction Cup is very much that, a glass suction cup that is used to carry heavy flat and smooth objects like glass, plastic, and sheet metal. But many of the traits that make this product excellent at clinging onto glass and metal make it a good candidate for attaching to a car door and hood. I would suggest looking into other dent pullers on this list, but in a pinch, you would definitely be able to pull very large dents out of a vehicle with this product no problem. This product features suction cups with an aluminum alloy body and has the ability to produce a strong suction force. The high-quality cups, which were voted to be top-rated by Amazon itself, can help you lift around 200 pounds, without any damage done to the equipment, materials, or you. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Auto PDR 40-piece DIY Paintless Dent Removal Tool Kit. The Auto PDR tool for the dent is made of strong stainless steel. It is specially designed to prevent damage to the original paint in the areas where this product comes in contact with the surface of your vehicle. The kit contains around 48 multi-purpose tools that are perfect for a wide range of dents. This kit also includes a glue gun, which you will not find very often amongst competitors. Additionally, this product also comes with a 3-year quality assurance that comes with each toolkit purchased. Every part of the kit is well made and perfect for a successful and long-lasting operation. Major items included in this list are as follows: a rubber hammer, adjustable dent lifter, and a variety of puller tabs. The PDR equipment can also be recycled for those who try to be as green as possible. This dent puller is perfect for popping out dents on other surfaces like exterior doors and household appliances. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Wero Dent Rods for Paintless Dent Removal. The Wero Car Auto Body Dent Kit is the perfect choice for all types of small irritating dents that other dent pullers cannot fix. This kit is more of a precision dent repair kit compared to the others we have reviewed thus far because this list consists of dent rods. These rods are found in a variety of shapes and sizes and each one is tailored to a specific type of dent. Now because dent rods are quite a bit harder to use than other retail dent pullers, they require a little bit more know-how and elbow grease. They work by being inserted behind the surface of a car door either by gaining entrance through the locking mechanism or the window sleeve. They then use reverse pressure applied from the back of the dented surface by prying the rod and forcing the dent out from the inside. This type of kit is perfect for hail-type damage and make no mistake, the finished results you will get from these types of dent rods will leave your vehicle's surface looking good as new. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.